Let's say I'm going to 1 o'clock in the morning.
Are you going to eat it?
Yeah, I love playing with it. I just want to find
I don't think he realizes what to do with it.
Oh no, I think he did this.
Oh! Maybe he does.
That's una 12 de... Thought they would be a little crunchy on your gums there.
Nope, he's growing in too.
I don't think he likes it that much.
Oh, no. Good.
Oh, I hear Johnson.
Huh? It's too cute not to. He's going to town on that thing.
Don't want it out on this way now. Like that. Now what do I do?
Did you get a chunk of it off?
No, it's all intact.
Okay.
It won't be for much longer.
Oh shoot!
Oh, no, there's a chunk. Oh, he's pulling it off already. See, it's starting to come off.
Should we take it away?
Not me.
Napkin.
I don't have any more. Here.
Go ahead and give us your napkin. You're not using it. Thank you.
If I want
He said Cousin William's not using it. I don't want that, Dad. Get that away.
You grabbed it for it.
These things are alright. What do you call these again?
Waffle fries. Those are waffle fries.
Yeah. Tastes a little bit like table, but whatever.
No, it's for cleaning your hands, and we know you're not going to clean your hands.
Oh, he's going to try to eat it.
I don't have nothing silly. I don't have nothing. You got the food in your hand.
What happens if you touch it?
I like how you said in your hand, he looks down right at it.
Did that bite? Okay.
And you got fries in your beard.
It's alright. You wouldn't be the first
You're
time.
welcome.
Oh, you're lucky he doesn't know how to grab.
He does.
Oh, no, you.
He does.
Oh yeah, he does it all the time.
Has he ripped some of your hair, of the beard hair off?
Yeah. Thank you.
Can you pay for what's already?
You got French fry.
You too?
Can you please stop him now? I'm starting to do a little. He started it on the table? Is he going to try to dance?
Oh my God, did you hear him? He's gonna get on the table. Is he gonna dance?
Oh yeah, I heard.
Is that good?
He's like, I want one of those, what he has. What are those?
Oh, you're falling. You're starving. I see it no more.
Guys, I'm curious what would happen if you gave him a drink.
Uh-oh. Check it. Make sure he's not biting chunks of it off.
Oh, yup, he's biting the front of it off.
No, he's not. No, he's starting ripping out.
Take it,
He may have, who knows.
Take it.
I mean, if he did, he's not choking, so.
Tell where your face is. Keep moving.
Dad, I need you to stop. I want this fry
Oh my gosh.
with a side of table.
What are you doing?
Hold on.
You want to talk to your mama?
No, he wants to eat his fry.
Walk you down here.
Dance. Make him dance, Tortoise. Make him dance.
No, it's not making any dance.
I'll put him on
The table's
his
too
head.
slippery for a wood.
I'll try to put his on his head and spin him. I'll try. Hello. It's what over here.
You're tearing it apart, you know?
I'm the boss. Because I'm the boss. I'm the boss. I'm Sam. Guys, can we please take over?
Is it good?
He choked on it.
Is it
He
good?
choked on the fry. I should just give him my biggest fry ever.
I mean, I think he likes it.
Should I give him this fry?
No.
Can we please go with it?
Can I has it?
I'm getting very curious what happens if I give him this. I am getting curious.
Oh, I was gonna wipe his mouth when he had the napkin in my hands.
I'm getting curious. What happens if I give him this?
He'll choke.